Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm actually sitting outside of the Lady Stardust Salon, which is in Oklahoma City. If you are familiar with Oklahoma City or if you are from around the area, it is on 28th Street in the Paseo Arts District. But basically, I'm going to take you guys along because today I am getting for the very first time a high frequency facial. Basically what it is it's supposed to promote like help your pore size, it's supposed to help find lines and wrinkles, dark circles underneath your eyes, that type of thing. It takes a high frequency voltage and shoots it into your skin. Little known fact, I did a little research obviously because that's who I am. And well, actually I don't know if it's a little known fact, it's just a fact, but Tesla, actually, if you know who Tesla is actually who created this high frequency thing, and they used to use it back in the day for the treatment of like strep throat and stuff before there were antibiotics. But anyways, that's beside the point. But yeah, we are gonna go in and I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride and see. As you guys know, I'm getting older. I literally talk about it all the time, and I figured why not give this a go? My friend Samantha owns the salon and offered to do this treatment for me, so we are going to take you guys along for the ride. It is a super cute salon. I've never really even been a part of the Paseo Arts District, meaning I've never really come down here, but I came to her a couple weeks ago for a different kind of treatment, and now I'm back, and I want to take you guys along. I am a little red. I did just finish at the gym, but yeah, so if you're interested to see how I think, how I feel, how I like the high frequency facial and what it's all about, then let's get going. So we are walking up. It is in this little building. I don't think she has her sign up yet because she is relatively new to the area, but if you are coming here for a treatment, this is the building, and we are gonna go walk inside. Sorry if you guys can hear some jangling. I'm carrying my ice water and my Yeti, so it might be a little loud. So you ooh. Come down a little hallway to the right.
What's up, MTV? Welcome to my salon.
Yes. So this is the inside of her beautiful salon.
Isn't it to die for?
I love it. It's eclectic, it's fun, it's quirky, it's cute, it's quaint.
Yes.
I love it. I love the choice of the paint.
Oh man, I know. It's called Antigua.
Hey, I've been there. That's a place. Did you know that?
I did know that, but I've never been there.
I've been there. So then, ooh, I just noticed the black chandelier.
Know,
that's cute. And then this is the hair salon side.
Yes, and so we're not quite finished yet. I need some more pictures, but I'm trying to find them all at like thrift stores and vintage shops.
Yeah, definitely. It keeps it more authentic looking.
Yeah.
This is so fun.
Isn't it great?
So I love it. It's so fun and quirky. It's something different. It's not your stereotypical clean, white, boring, kind of like you.
Exactly what we were going for.
Not white and boring, white and interesting. I didn't actually realize what I was until I said it and it came out of my mouth, and I was like, that actually came out wrong, but it's the truth.
Yeah, but we just wanted something a little different, and it's like, it's a 3-person salon, but it's just, I don't know, I just love being here. And it's in the Paseo, which is the best part of
yeah, I kind of was, when I was doing my intro earlier, I was saying to the vlog or to the video that I'd never really been in the Paseo until I came down here to see you the last time.
Oh yeah, that's
and
right.
It's really cool. There's really cool restaurants, lots of art galleries.
That's the problem, is the really cool restaurants since I eat out.
Okay, so just tell me briefly, give the people a little bit of an idea of exactly what this facial is, what it does, what it feels like, what the results are supposed to be, that kind of thing.
So this is a high frequency facial, and it's an advanced professional facial that uses electricity and gas to treat your skin. So we basically send electricity through a glass electrode, and it's filled with one of 2 gases, either argon gas or neon gas. And the argon gas is going to glow like a purple color, and that's to treat blemishes and acne and inflammation. And then the orange gas is the neon gas, and that's for anti-aging.
That's what I need.
I know. Yeah. I do it all the time. So it's non-invasive. You might be a little red, but it totally doesn't hurt, and it takes like 5 minutes. So.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Do you have a lot of people that use it? Like,
this is my most popular facial, I think, just because, I mean, you'll notice a difference after the first treatment. You'll see like any redness has gone down. Is this
the kind of treatment that people come and do like often? Like, is it like one of those that gets Your skin gets better the more you do it?
Oh yeah, it's just like any facial, you know, one facial isn't going to make that much of a difference. It's like going to the gym. You want to keep going. And then once you get to where you want to be, it's just maintaining it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, but this is like a once a month facial. Pretty much every facial is once a month.
That's what the suggested time is, like come every month?
Yeah.
Cool. What other kind of stuff do you offer here at your salon besides this?
I do lash extensions, lash lifts, waxing, and facials. And for facials, I do high frequency facials. I do a galvanic facial, which is another electrical facial. It's like a non-surgical facelift. It's really good before like events. And then I do dermaplaning and microdermabrasion.
A little bit of everything.
Just a little bit of everything. I'm kind of like a jack of all trades.
I love. Tell everybody what we're doing.
Okay, so we're about to start the high frequency facial part. We're gonna use the neon gas.
That's for the aging, right? The aging
yep, that's
skin?
for the anti-aging. And then if you have any blemishes, I'll go ahead and go over them with the other gas. So let me just know if you feel anything. You okay?
Yeah, that doesn't feel like anything, really.
Go up a little.
Is that what it's supposed to feel like?
Yeah. It's supposed to be totally not painful. We use this net just because it gives more oxygen to the skin, and that's gonna help with like just the whole process, and it's easier to glide.
Yeah, this doesn't feel like anything, guys, so don't be afraid.
Yeah, it's kind of scary looking, but it's really like not that bad. You okay?
Yeah, it doesn't feel like anything.
So we just go over a couple times. And we cover the eyes just, you know, for safety.
Yeah, I was gonna say I have an eye patches on, so I can't actually see what's going on.
You kind of look like a little bug.
Oh, that's cute.
It's really adorable, though.
So we steamed first. Is that to open the pores?
Yep, we steamed first just to open up everything and get the skin ready. And then we did a double cleanse to make sure that your skin was perfect and ready for treatment. And now we're doing this. So afterwards, we're gonna do a mask and then tone and moisturize. Easy peasy. So I like to use the argon gas, which is the anti-acne one, right down here on women of our age, because hormonal acne just like moves down.
Gotcha.
So do you feel like your breakouts are down there?
Yeah, I you know what's really random is I don't get a ton of pimples, but when I do, I feel like they're big and angry.
Mm-hmm.
And I started to notice I've gotten a lot like almost like under my chin, which is really
yeah.
strange.
It just moves down like the older you get. So I'll go ahead and get down there.
So interesting,
isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. I guess you get a little bit not put off because obviously you put the eye patches over, so I can't even see it anyways. But you say I'm gonna put this mask thing over your face, and it's a little bit like what is happening, but it literally doesn't feel like anything. It just feels like someone's touching the surface of your skin.
What would you do if like I took the mask off you and then you looked at me and I was wearing a mask?
I would like that. That would make me laugh.
That'd be funny.
What are you putting on me now?
So now we're just doing a mask, and then I'm gonna put a hot towel over it. I use a line called Epionce, and it's seriously the best.
This smells good. This smells like a key lime pie.
Doesn't it? It's so yummy. And
yeah,
so this
is
good. Just an anti-aging mask. It's called an enriched firming mask, and we always want to be firm, don't we?
Heck yes. Oh, that smells so good.
Oh, I know. I love it.
Wow, that facial was quick and very painless.
I know. It's a really good thing to do, like if you have a lunch break or something.
Yeah.
Because it only takes like, you know,
Not long.
20, 30 minutes. But we also do facials where, like, you know, you can get like massage and all that part too.
Yeah, the full on.
The full shebang.
Yeah, so you could do a quick one, or you could
yeah.
come in for like the full spa
Oh yeah,
experience.
you could get.
I hit whatever is to my right. I hit that. I guess I could open up my eyes now. I don't have anything. I'm just sitting here closing, keeping my eyes. Oh, I look. This is a really flattering angle. Hello, YouTube. Yeah, you look cute. That's rude.
Is that too hot?
Oh no, that feels. I like it hot. Oh, that feels good. Oh, that feels absolutely delightful. Even though it's like 100+ degrees outside.
I know.
It still feels
I
good.
always feel bad for everyone because it's like it's so hot outside,
No,
and I steam you, and then I put a hot towel on
This
you.
feels excellent. Like,
Yes.
I'm one of those people that when I take a shower, I want it literally as hot as it can get.
You're like super red whenever you
Mhm.
get out of the
Yep.
shower.
Exactly.
Oh, girl. Same here.
That feels good. Okay, now what are we doing?
So now I'm just cleaning off the mask, and then we're gonna tone, moisturize, and SPF because SPF is so important.
I wear SPF every day. My moisturizer has SPF in it.
How much SPF?
30. Is that enough?
I wear 50.
Well, shoot. I try. It's better than most people. But sometimes...
No, it really is. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I have come to realize, obviously, especially the older I get, a lot of people don't realize the importance of SPF. You know what I mean?
Oh,
And
yeah.
don't, you know, think about it.
But I mean, it's because it's like in the morning, you really don't want to put on the gooey SPF and, you know,
Right.
you're like, I don't want that. But I mean, it makes such a difference.
Yeah.
And it's just, the sun is the #1 reason we prematurely age.
Right.
So,
Well, and they make a lot of really good ones that are for the face and like are
Oh,
meant
yeah.
to go under makeup, and you know,
Yes.
you just got to do your research and you got to
oh, I know.
you got to commit to it. So I just put it in my, you know, my cabinet with all my other stuff because
Yeah.
obviously I like skincare and stuff though anyways. So I mean, I do a lot of skincare stuff in the morning. So, but if you don't, like, just set your SPF where you can see it, like with your toothpaste or your toothbrush. Or
Exactly.
I mean, I hope you brush your teeth in the mornings, but
I try
to. But it's important. And if I could go back 10 years, even 5 years, and give myself one bit of advice, it would be to take better care of my skin.
Oh my God, me too. I didn't take good care of my skin until I was like 25.
I probably didn't start taking good care of my skin until I was 26 or 27.
Yeah, and it's like, why did we wait so long?
So I have a sister who's 10 years younger than me. So she's 21. Now you know how old I am. But, and I have told her, I'm like, Alyssa, take care of your skin. Like, if I could go back and do anything, I would have started a better skincare regimen, creams, serums, staying out of the sun, not tanning in a tanning bed.
Oh my God.
She doesn't tan in a tanning bed. She's very fair. But I'm like, if I could go back, you know, I just wish spray tans were as prevalent then as they are now.
I know.
You know, they weren't really as much of a thing as they are now.
I tan so much and I'm so pale.
I
It's
know.
like, I'm just so upset that I did that.
I know, it's so bad. Now there's so much easier ways to do it. But anyways, all that to say, wear your SPF. Oh, I feel refreshed.
Well, don't touch your face.
Oh shoot, sorry. My bad. I just broke the rules. I feel good. I would say if I would have touched my face, I would say my skin feels soft.
Well, okay, then it's good.
Yeah.
At least we know.
Yeah, that was good. Thank you for this facial. If you guys can book her with her, I will link her stuff down in the description box down below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them and I will pass them on to Sam. But if you can, like this video, give it a giant thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!